Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I am a wife and mom to two little ones. And today we have a spring decorating video, but first things first, if you notice behind me, I have a new sofa. I am so excited to share this brand with you. They are collaborating with me in this video. They did send me the sofa and I am obsessed. So I didn't change the color. I know you guys are always commenting on my white sofa and how I keep it clean, and I've shown you guys the process multiple times. The covers are removable. The bottom cushions are really hard to put back on though, and the body I have to clean it with my Bissell little green machine because it is not removable. It's just the body of the sofa. But a company called Sofatica, they were previously known as Havenly Cloud, reached out to me to send me a cloud sofa dupe. Now, if you know about the cloud sofa, it is super expensive, thousands and thousands of dollars. Love the style, love the type of sofa and everything that goes along with it, and the way that it's machine washable. So Sofatica has a dupe that is, I would say, like a quarter of the price of the original cloud sofa, but it lacks no quality. Guys, this sofa is amazing. Me and my husband unboxed it yesterday. It is so thick, so fluffy, super easy to build, and my favorite thing of all, it is entirely machine washable. So the entire sofa is a slip cover. The body has its own slip cover, and all the cushions have their own slip covers. Now, that is amazing in itself because I have two little ones and a dog, and the way I was cleaning that sofa was ridiculous, but it was the body that really got to me because it wasn't machine washable, and so the armrest would always get dirty. And it's like, with my other sofa, you would have to soak the entire thing in order to not leave water stains. So I can't just like spot clean a stain. Like if I get a stain on the armrest, I can't just spot clean that because once it dries, it's gonna leave a water stain. So when you're dealing with sofas that are not entirely machine washable, it's really, really difficult. Although I love white sofas, but this has just gave me so much more peace of mind. And not only is it machine washable, but it is liquid resistant, it is stain resistant, it is pet friendly, it is abrasion resistant. This thing has it all, and the amount of modernization that it brought to my living room, I didn't notice how kind of, I don't know, like vintagey, old looking my other sofa was. Not to knock my other sofa, but like, you know, I lived with it for 3 years, but just the way that the armrest laid, and it was more of a older style, and the way that this sofa just modernized my entire living space is amazing. I'm completely in love with it. Today we are decorating for spring, and I'm gonna zhuzh it all up. I'm gonna add some pillows with you guys, and I am going to decorate in my living room as well with some spring florals, maybe some bunnies. We'll see where this takes us. But yeah, I'm super excited to be working with Sofatica today. They did give me free shipping for you guys in my description. You could click on the link and check out their sofas. So I got the 3-piece, but their sofas you could build up to whatever you want. So if you know the original cloud, you know, you see people for movie nights, they make it like a bed. You can do that with the Sofatica. It is literally like almost an exact dupe, and you can add pieces to it, which I think the smallest you can do is 2, or even just 1 chair if you just want a chair. But yeah, I did 3, but later on, let's say down the road we get a bigger house, or I don't know, I don't plan to, but if we get a bigger house or anything like that, I can add to it. I don't have to get a completely new sofa. I can add to my collection of seats and make it bigger, make it an L shape, whatever I want. So that's definitely really neat. And again, just check out the price. You guys are not going to believe the difference from like the original cloud to this one in price. Like, it's crazy. Another thing is that if you ever need new cushion covers, I think you can also order it. I was reading the reviews before agreeing to work with this brand, and the reviews are amazing. They have like 5 stars. But people were saying that they love the fact that they can just order new cushion covers in case they need it and not a whole new sofa. So that's really, really neat. But I have to look into that, but I just think that that's so cool that you can do that. So yeah, if you've been looking for a new sofa, or specifically a cloud sofa, and you are not liking the prices out there, definitely check out Sofatica, because it is a great contender to the cloud sofa. And I will leave all the information in my description. They have multiple colors as well, but if you are a person that always wanted a white sofa, but you have children, you have pets, and you don't want to kind of take that risk, you can take that risk with this sofa. So I'll just leave that out there, because I know white sofas are trending. I know white sofas look beautiful in living spaces, but a lot of people are hesitant to get them because of that. But they have other colors. They have a more beige tone, a gray, so you can go ahead, and I think they have like a dark navy blue or black, I'm not sure. But they have other colors, so definitely check that out. But again, if you're a white sofa girly like me, do it. So we're gonna go ahead and start decorating for spring, and I'll kind of walk you guys through that, and then we can see her all styled up. Okay, you guys, I'm starting off with a throw blanket from Amazon. This one's really affordable. I think I got this for 10 bucks for fall, and I've been using it ever since. I also love this Target pillow, and then 2 new pillows that I picked up were these ruffle pillows that are actually from Amazon, and the last one I'm going to add is Temu. I didn't add as many pillows as I usually do because this sofa is so plush, and I just love it like that. We're going to style the coffee table now, and you're gonna see me change this a bunch of times. I wanted to add some color, but I don't know, something just wasn't giving, and it looked too sparse for me. But eventually I did change vases, and then I changed it back, and then I added some greenery stems with these pink flowers. These flowers are magnolia flowers from Michael's, and they came in white, and I did use like food dye coloring to color them because I was really liking the lavender for spring. And yeah, and then I got some greenery, I think they're called Nandina stems, that I'm going to pair them with later on. And everything else you guys have pretty much seen. The tray here is a plug, is actually from At Home. They have the $40 tray that Target has for $17.99. It's super heavy and super good quality. And then I'm going to swap out the pillows, and then we're going to jump over to the shelves. So adding these green stems from Amazon really just made it look more full, which I love a big full centerpiece on my coffee table. And it just looks like the magnolia flowers are in the wild with, you know, the rest of the greenery that's out there. I am going to add a few nods to spring on my shelves, and then that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you guys the end shots now. Make sure to check out my description if you are interested in Sofatica. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try.